So the word on Wall Street is if Amazon's Prime Day doesn't blow the doors off of last year, well, it's a failure. Well, Prime Day is big. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are also huge online shopping days as well. But here's the deal. Those three combined don't equal the real holiday investors should be focusing on. Hi, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for the Oxford Club, and thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. Right now, we're on the cusp of the largest online shopping day in the world, China's Singles Day. Now, there is nothing on the planet like this. This holiday began back in 1993 at Nanjing University as Bachelor's Day. The reason why is the number one resembles a bear stick, which is slang for a lonely man in Chinese, which you have to admit is a pretty good dig. Now, this is an unofficial holiday like Prime Day, but it's been surging in popularity in recent years, as we see by these sales. In 2019, the Chinese answer to Amazon, Alibaba, saw its sales hit a record, $38.4 billion in just 24 hours. Keep in mind, that is dollars, not yuan or renminbi. But this year, expectations are for $45 billion to be dropped during Singles Day. And even though the global pandemic has disrupted traditional retailers, we already know that e-commerce companies have scored big in 2020. But here's what I'm here to tell you. Alibaba isn't the only way to play this event. The company's rival, JD.com, started its own 11/11 celebration. There's companies like Baozun, the e-commerce platform, which is in the mix. There's Tencent, Joy, and a whole bunch more of these Chinese companies that I routinely follow in all of my services. But today, I'm actually going to share my favorite, and that's Vipshop Holdings. Vipshop is an online discount retailer in China. It sells everything from apparel, cosmetics, jewelry to electronics, home appliances, and smartphones. But here's the biggest takeaway. It's seeing its number of customers steadily growing. In the second quarter, the online retailer saw revenue increase to $3.4 billion. Again, dollars, not yuan or renminbi, as its total orders grew 15% to 170.5 million. Now, even better, repeat customers accounted for 90% of total active customers. So with Singles Day on the horizon, we're going to see a huge uptick in revenue for Vipshop. Now, looking at this chart, once again, we see that sawtooth pattern that I've talked about here before, and it's one that I love to exploit. So for Vipshop, third quarter revenue is projected to increase to $3.16 billion. And then in the fourth quarter, Vipshop sales will really take off, jumping to more than $4.8 billion. Again, dollars, not yuan or renminbi. So there might be a small company, but these are huge, huge, huge revenue totals. Now, besides that strong sales trend, there's another strong trend, which is why I like to target Vipshop right now. So if we look at the average gain, shares of, I just chose some Chinese companies have performed from November to April since 2017. And the reason why I chose this is right before a Singles Day to about the 5 months after. So that way you get all of those quarterly reports. Well, when you look at this, we see that Vipshop has left everyone else in the dust. In fact, the nearly 68% gain shares have averaged during that November to April stretch since 2017 is 3 times more than the second best performer, JD.com. So Vipshop, it might not be the biggest, it may not be the most well-known, but its shares catch an updraft, unlike any other in the months following Singles Day. That's why I believe investors should be writing Vipshop's ticker symbol down now, because it is one of my favorite ways to play the world's largest online shopping day. I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for the Oxford Club, and thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. For more information like this, be sure to go down to the description and sign up for my free e-letter. Until next time, here's to high returns.